Hey guys, today we're going to be covering my NOVN trade. This is a stock running on some skin infection, positive results. They have a cream or something for it. This is a long-term kind of downtrending gappy chart. History of one and dones, and then as well as it is a former runner back in January, February. So here's that 1 year chart, and then you can see it kind of downtrending, and then it has that big gap up. Not the greatest news. It is, of course, that's sketchy news, but then again, that's more short bait. What you're looking for with these dip and rip setups, you're looking for crappy companies that are low float and that will sucker in shorts, and that's all you're looking for. I like this price action pre-market. You're looking for something like this on a big gainer. I think this was up like 60 something percent maybe, and spiked first and second minute of the day, set its top, and that's what you're looking for. Then gapped down, or didn't gap down. It dipped, consolidated under VWAP, and then I started a position at 396, so around there, and right under 14. So risking low of the day, and spiked. That's pretty much confirmation. Sold 70 shares into this gap up here at like 1484, or not this gap up. I keep saying gap up, spike. Into the spike here at 1484, so around here. Sold half, thinking 15 would act as resistance since it was at resistance here, and then in pre-market here, as well as this kind of acted as support here. So 15 was a key level in my head. Wanted to sell some before it hit that. Thought maybe it would hit that double top and then fade. That's always a possibility. So I was playing it safe, taking half off the table right there with, what was it, 60 bucks, 60 something dollars right off the table. So no matter what, this pretty much can't be a loss. So take a safe profits. Second minute, pretty much I was in this train for like 3 minutes maybe. It was super short, and then sold the other half at some wimpy, yeah, 13 or 1536. Again, just like right there. I wanted to sell in this other top, which is so conservative, I guess is the right word. But because I got such a good entry, it did become a very profitable trade. It was like 8%, something like that, 8+% trade. So with this conservative sell, and I'll take that every day. I mean, I could have held it, of course, obviously, to like 16. Like the whole dip and rip play. I need to chillax and just let these things play out because I knew that this is the play. That I'm looking for this break of pre-market highs, break of day highs, and this thing to just take off like it did. And you could have easily sold at 16, 17, but instead I was too conservative and sold half here, then half there. So yeah, could have held it a lot farther, but if it's 8%, I'm taking that all day. Could have been 15, 16, 20%, something like that maybe. Um, I'm bad with numbers, but 160 bucks, I'm taking that on a less than $2,000 position. It's a good trade, and I'll take that every day. I've found success in these dip and rip patterns. I feel like they're very easy to spot, and they've fit a very strict criteria. It has to be low float, it has to have that short bit, and it has to have that uh, setting top action, dip, consolidating, and then that rip. You know, ideally under this view up. So this is pretty much perfect price action. And yeah, so again, I found success, and I will continue to do this. And I hope you guys get some value out of this. I like going through it and kind of explaining my mindset and putting it out onto the world. Um, Helps me learn. Hopefully, helps you guys learn. And yeah, so Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.